Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a viral video of a little girl that has been causing a lot of concern and a lot of outrage on social media. So I want to read this article and then I want to get into my thoughts and opinions. I won't circulate that video because I feel like the authorities need to intervene, and also I don't want to be circulating something like that here on my channel. I want my channel to be positive but also informative and where someone can learn something. So let's get into the article, and it says children's advocate Diane Gordon Harrison has expressed dismay at a video that is circulating on social media with a female minor describing in excruciatingly graphic details sexual acts she claimed to have been done by her parents. The video involved the minor being urged on by an older female who was seemingly wielding a camera and recording the statement from the child. Only the voices of the older female and the child are audible on the 47-second video. And if you're in SoFlo's chat room, you would have seen us put it in the chat room and we talked about it. Of the note is that absolutely no effort was made by the older female to restrain or redirect the child from the extremely sexual nature of the outline, with only smirks being forthcoming in relation to the more vulgar aspects of the statement from the child. First, there was some troubling questions: who recorded this video and what was their intent, declared Gordon Harris. How did the child become aware of this activity? She asked furthermore. Honestly, I think the person that recorded this thought it was funny, and that's why they uploaded it on social media. They thought that people would get a good laugh out of it. And honestly, I thought it was funny at first when I only saw like 20 seconds of the clip. But when I saw the full video, then it wasn't funny to me anymore. And I'm going to tell you more of my thoughts. How did the child become aware of this activity? More than likely, the child is either sleeping with her parents and they are having sexual activities on the same bed that their child is sleeping with. That right there is a no-no. Once they're past a certain age, you shouldn't do that because they're aware and they are very curious and they're going to be looking and listening. So that shouldn't happen. And another thing, the baby can not only be sleeping in the same bed, they can have their own bed or their own crib in the same room and still be aware of what's going on. So I don't know what's happening there, if they are not able to afford a separate room for her and they're just doing what they can do as parents, and that's why she is aware of stuff like that. We don't know yet. If someone told her they are irresponsible and shared inappropriate information with her, if she witnessed it, then it points to an issue of supervision within the home, cited Gordon Harrison. In either case, the child requires guidance and at least an initial conversation as to what is age appropriate and what is not, the child advocate told the news team. A representative of the Corporate Communications Unit, the police information arm, indicated that the unit was unaware of the video's existence when the matter was brought to the agency attention on Saturday. And as far as updated information as that is concerned, they're looking for the child. I actually saw it in the Star. The police are actually in the process now of looking for the child that was in that video. And I feel like it's only right that they intervene, because I feel like sexual explicit stuff like that should not be repeated by a child. Even if they see it, most child won't repeat it, but she repeated it, so obviously she's comfortable with whoever was recording it, and more than likely it's going to be either a family member or a close friend. And whether it's a family member or a close friend, I feel like they stepped over a boundary that they shouldn't have. and they shouldn't have never posted on social media. Even if it's something that the child have spoken about before, they cross that line. And one thing to note in the video that I really respect her parents for, sometimes you have to take the good and the bad, and this is where I'm going to take the good out of this. She was actually saying her mom and her dad did this and did that. She's not saying some strange man and our mother they do this, and or some stepfather and our mother they do that. So you have to give her parents props for that. They're still together, they're still trying to raise their child right, and who are we to judge? Okay, we all make mistakes, and it's going to be a learning lesson not only for her but for other parents out there that's raising a child in a home where they don't have a lot of space and they still want to be intimate, they still want to have a sexual relationship, know how to work around certain stuff and what to do and what not to do. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section. Do you think that the police needed to intervene? Do you think that the person recorded this video should have never posted it on social media? What do you think of the parents that the child was talking about in this particular video? Do you think that they deserve to go to jail? They deserve to have the child taken from them? Do you think that they're probably poor and they're probably trying to do what's right for not only themselves as a couple but also what's right for their child, and still be together and still have a loving sexual relationship, but they don't know how to balance it with certain aspects of their lives? Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. And I'm part of here. Deuces.